Welcome, prospective Northwest University postgraduate students. Here we will guide you through the application process. Preparation before you apply. You can only apply once per academic year. You can select up to 2 study choices. You must have a valid, unique, and memorable personal email address. You must have your identity document and a digital copy of your academic record from your previous institution from your first year to the date of your application. All documents must be certified by a Commissioner of Oaths, attorney, and/or a university official. Please note that if any of the documents you submit were issued in your maiden name, you must also submit a certified marriage certificate. Meeting the minimum requirements does not guarantee admission to NWU. The admission decision is final. If any of your qualifications have been obtained from a non-South African institution, you need to provide an evaluation certificate issued by the South African Qualifications Authority or SAQA. Applicants can request the evaluation certificate from SAQA. The relevant faculty may require additional information, such as a research concept document. Please refer to the faculty web pages under the relevant field of study, master's and doctoral qualification information. Visit NWU's How to Apply online webpage and create your application profile. To create your application profile, register to apply by entering your personal details in the application portal using your email as your username. Tip number 1. Ensure all your details are correct as they appear on your identity document. Your profile is linked to your ID number and username. Ensure it's accurate. Once you've created your profile, go to your email address to retrieve your username and temporary password. Return to the application screen, log in and change your password. Tip number 2. Create a strong password. Your password needs to be 8 characters with a capital letter, number, and a special character. For example, add 3rd degree ! with a capital D. Log on to the application portal. You will see the dashboard with instructions and quick links. Click the purple Apply Now button to proceed to the program details screen and fill in your program details and previous education information accurately. On the personal details screen, permit NWU access to your information as required by the POPI Act. Complete the personal details section exactly as it appears on your identity document, including your full first and last name. Complete the contact information section. Go to the previous education screen and click on the Add button to open the table with the required information. Find and select your tertiary institution using the search bar or scrolling to the correct name. Complete the table with all your previous education information from your high school to your most recent qualification. Proceed to the additional information screen to indicate your funding source, employment status during study, and interest in residence placement. Upload all required documents such as your academic history and research concept on the document upload screen to avoid delays in the processing of your application. Finally, read the declaration screen and sign the agreement by ticking the checkbox. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate. When you are satisfied that all information is correct, submit your application. Once you have submitted your application, the system will return to the dashboard, which will give you an overview of your application progress, including your application number, status, and study choices. You can also download an application summary and re-upload documents if you have made any errors. Await the admission decision and check your application status periodically. Please note that NWU cannot process an incomplete application or one that has been created but not submitted. Please allow the admissions office time to process your application before checking your application status.